OMG. I think you can see it. There it is, the multicolored candy waterfall. Hello guys, in my previous video, I promised that I will show how to make a candy waterfall. So here it is. I've done some instructions before, but I'll just tell you. We need a mini waterfall like this. And I've put baking sodas in the top, half a scoop baking sodas. And I've had 1 scoop of baking soda here and spread it around. For food color, I'm using yellow, red and blue because those are most of the time candy flavors. But you can do them according to your way. Next, we need a cup like this and I'll add 50 ml water in it. Then I have added 5 ml liquid soap in it. It's very hard, so I think it's better if we just pour it continuously. Then I'll add 1 scoop of citric acid. It looks like sugar. Yummy. Oi, I love. Then we'll mix it well to create at least a soap and citric acid solution. And this is my favorite part. Well, I think this will be everyone's favorite. We've mixed it carefully, and now we'll add it in this top hole of the volcano. I'll just set up it so you all can see how the candy waterfall looks like. We'll add it in this top basin. There it is, a candy waterfall. I'll add some more than OMG. I think you can see it. There it is, the multicolored candy waterfall. I'll add some more. When it stops, you can add some more solution. I am loving the colors right now. Oh, can you see it? It's so careful. I like it. I've added half of it. It's actually OMG. See everyone, the colors are so beautiful. It looks like this. And with that, our video ends. Bye.